how to recover permanently deleted photos from Google Photos. So if you want to recover permanently deleted photos from Google Photos, then what you need to do is first, you need to open up your Google Photos application. After that, you need to go with Collections, which will be in the bottom. From Collections, you need to go with Trash, which will be in the top right. Now, if you've deleted anything, then your photos will be in Trash for up to 60 days. If your deleted photos are still in the trash, you need to simply select that photo and then go with Restore, which will be in the bottom left, and your photo will be restored back to your main photo library. But if the photo is permanently deleted from the trash recovery, then it becomes more difficult. In that case, you can try checking your device gallery or other backup folders, because sometimes the photo may still exist locally on your phone. You can also visit Google Drive and check if the photo was saved there or backed up through another application. Another option is to contact Google Photos support. In rare cases, Google may be able to recover recently deleted data, but this is not guaranteed. So it's always a good idea to keep backup enabled in Google Photos to prevent losing important pictures in the future. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.